Yeah, I mean, I think ultimately there's a lot of issues taking place in the United States. We have, three banks have failed, and just over the course of a few short weeks, we've got a debt ceiling crisis on the horizon, and we're worried about, dancing teenagers. The company's gone out of its way to show that the data is not, it's held here in the United States. Just seems like a distraction technique from some much bigger, more serious problems, in my opinion. I think ultimately, there will be a movement to try to ban it. It will go to the courts as it did in the past, and it will likely that ban will fail again. There's a little thing in the Constitution called the First Amendment. And this legislative move to ban a company just because of it happens to be owned by, a company in China, it just seems like we've kind of forgotten the constitutional rights here. As well as it's worth noting, Dave, that ByteDance on their board sits a major U.S. private equity firm. The end reality is, if you try to ban TikTok, are you actually hurting many U.S. institutional investors, such as pension plans, foundations, endowments, that successfully invested in the company? I think it's something that really hasn't been examined, is the U.S. ownership of TikTok.
I'll have to debate this free speech rights against national security concerns over a cocktail in Westport. Brendan Ahern, good to see you, my friend.